a new day. Have some light bulbs in the front that need to be changed. The parking light and the fog light. I'm pushing away some snow from another place that'd be easier to go under the car without getting too dirty. So I think the fog light I fix later. I'm buying the bulbs for the parking light. Is W5W 12 volt 5 watts. It's supposed to be the right for the parking. And the parking light down here. The screws here is 10 volt. See if I'm able to reach them. Now I move that battery away. Now to look at the bulbs. See, I can't show how to get it. I got in here with my left arm. This is on the right side. Long socket. Then I'm able to reach it. And now I just go and put on the light just to check so that one is the right one. I take out that one, I turn on the lights just to be sure. And you can see there. I have to go in, find that hole again. See here. You can be able to twist this one in the right way. Now I found it. I've been lock it in the position there. You twist it in and lock it. See if I get the camera in between here. There. Old bulb, a new bulb. Just put on parking lights. It's working here. And it's working there. Yeah, that was quite easy. Like on this side, if I have to do it, I have to out with the battery to get space to come in. It's very small space. But with the battery off, I get in. You can fix it. I hope someone of you have get an easy idea how to change that bulb, park light bulb. So that was just a short video to show that. The fog light bulb is coming later, and also some small other things. So thank you, hope you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel please, and put a like and write a comment. Do anything, yeah. Thank you.